The Financial Strategy of Projecting Wealth, a comprehensive guide. If you've been part of the financial YouTube community over the past year, you've likely encountered numerous videos emphasizing the notion that looking poor is crucial for accumulating wealth. Prominent financial YouTubers often advocate this perspective, but they tend to overlook the core principle. In reality, it's important to project an image of wealth when you're not yet affluent, and only when you've achieved financial success should you consider appearing modest. Here at All Things Money, we educate everyday individuals about financial strategies that are often overlooked by traditional advisors or brokers. While it's true that overspending on lavish items to impress others isn't financially wise, signaling your productive capability is essential for gaining access to opportunities. Opportunities can significantly enhance your ability to build long-term wealth far more effectively than merely budgeting. Understanding the balance between income and expenses. The limitation lies in how much you can save, as you can only save what you earn. However, there is no cap on your income potential, which should be your primary focus. The wealth you generate each year results from the difference between your income and expenses. For instance, with a $50,000 annual income, you might save $10,000 after expenses. However, with a $200,000 income, saving $40,000 or $50,000 becomes more manageable. Hence, projecting an image of wealth can be advantageous if you're not yet wealthy. Projecting wealth in professional settings. Consider a job interview scenario. If you arrive in a well-maintained car, wearing well-fitted, clean clothing, and present yourself with polished shoes and a modest yet stylish watch, you're conveying your ability to manage limited resources effectively. This signals to potential employers that you can maximize the resources they offer, making you a worthwhile investment. Conversely, arriving in a dilapidated vehicle and unkempt attire suggests an inability to manage resources, making you appear riskier to hire. These principles extend beyond job interviews to social events, conferences, and everyday interactions, where people form judgments based on limited information, often visual appearances. If you fail to project competence and resourcefulness, accessing opportunities that could increase your income becomes challenging. The transition from projecting wealth to modesty. You might wonder why affluent individuals like Mark Zuckerberg and Mark Cuban dress casually. Once you reach a certain level of wealth, reliance on external opportunities diminishes, and results speak for themselves. At this stage, signaling wealth becomes less crucial, and projecting modesty can be a protective strategy. Wealthy individuals often opt for understated appearances to avoid drawing unwanted attention or legal risks. This is why financial YouTubers advocating for a look poor strategy, it's applicable to them but not to those just starting. When you're established, showcasing modesty becomes a defensive measure, not a wealth-building tactic. As you climb the wealth ladder, the importance of signaling productive capability diminishes. Investing in experiences versus material possessions. Another common piece of advice is to invest in experiences rather than material possessions. However, possessions can embody repeated experiences. For instance, a high-quality phone or comfortable clothing provides ongoing enjoyment, contrasting with one-time experiences like travel, which may be memorable but fleeting. While indulging in things that genuinely enhance your life is beneficial, purchasing items solely to impress others is ill-advised. Most people watching financial advice videos are unlikely to fall into that trap. Avoiding lifestyle inflation. A crucial warning: if you spend years honing your skills and enhancing your productive capacity, your income will likely increase substantially. However, it's easy to succumb to lifestyle inflation. You can outspend any income, as evidenced by bankrupt athletes and lottery winners. If your net worth isn't growing despite a high income, reevaluate your spending habits. Your financial journey should prioritize earning more, retaining more, and then learning how to invest. Investing and budgeting should become focal points once you reach a significant income level. Until then, focus on skill development to boost your income. Advancing your financial knowledge. For those ready to advance their financial knowledge, make sure you subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, where we teach wealth growth and protection strategies during economic crises.
As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.